Hi there, it's Ryan G. Wright with DoHardMoney.com coming to you with a Just Ask Ryan question of the day. And today's question is, will a charge-off affect buying a house? And we're going to talk about this as buying a house as a personal residence and as an investor. So we look at both aspects of this and how it will have an impact on you. Now, every single day I do a Just Ask Ryan question of the day. So if you have a question you'd like me to answer, real estate, finance, real estate investing, wholesaling, whatever the case is, fix and flip, lending, I'm here and I want to answer your question for you. So please come with me on this journey. If you have some questions, please type them in the comments below. But let's get to this. Will a charge-off affect buying a house? And the answer is yes, it will have an impact. You see, what a charge-off basically means is you owed somebody money. Let's say you owed a bank $5,000 and you didn't pay the bank that $5,000. So the bank then tries to collect on it, and then they go and get a judgment where the judge says, yep, they owe you the money, and then they can lien on properties or anything else. But at a certain point, whether they got a judgment or whether they didn't, the bank says, we're probably never going to collect on this. So we're going to do what's called write it off. So we're going to say this is bad paper. So we are going to take this as a loss, which is going to lower their tax basis, which is going to lower their income, and that's what a charge-off is. Now, at any time, a bank can come back and say, hey, we're going to start going after this debt again. But typically a charge-off means, you know what, we're done chasing them. We're going to mark it as a charge-off, but everybody will know this person never paid for this, and it'll show as a charge-off on their credit report for I think 10 years, but I'm not a credit expert in that regards. So it's going to show on there for a long time. So that's basically what a charge-off is. So as a lender, if I'm looking at this and I see charge-offs, I'm saying, this person owed another lender money. They didn't pay that lender, and that lender tried to collect, and in the end, the lender said, I'm never going to get money out of this deadbeat. Okay, that's basically what the charge-off means. So if you have some charge-offs and you're looking to get into a traditional house, you're going to want to get those taken care of. And one of the things that you can do is actually call the lender and say, hey lender, I know this got charged off. I know I've had some problems. Maybe you've got some stimulus money now. Would you take, if it was $5,000, I would offer them $500 and say, would you take $500? And this is the key, as payment in full. Payment in full for everything. $500 is payment in full. I'm not asking you to take $500 as a payment. I'm asking you to take $500 as payment in full. We're done, everything's settled, and then it comes off as a charge-off, and then it'll help your ability. Now, FHA has a few things they can help you out with, so you're going to want to talk to an FHA lender because they do have some things they can help out with, but in most cases, judgments and charge-offs are something they're going to be looked at collections, judgments, and charge-offs are things that are going to be looked at pretty heavily. You also may want to look at some credit repair. There may be some legality as to the way things were done that can help you get that taken off so it can help. As far as hard money, we're looking at charge-offs also. So as a hard money lender, all I really care about, I don't care about credit scores, I don't care about debt to income, I don't care about how much money you make, I don't care about your job situation. I mean, I care, but those aren't things that are going to disqualify you from getting a loan with us. But what I am going to look at is if you have any charge-offs, if you have any bankruptcies, if you have any judgments, and if you have collections, because all those things are basically saying this guy has a history of not making payments. Now, if you have those things, there's multiple ways to get started in real estate, by wholesaling, by partnering, and a variety of different other ways you can do that. But if you want to start buying rental properties and getting low interest rates like they are right now, you're going to need to clean that credit up. So if you have those things, I recommend you start with doing some wholesaling or finding a partner and working in that regards, and then using that capital to then go negotiate with these lenders. Same with judgments. If you have a judgment, ask them to take pennies on the dollar. Ask them to take 10% of what's actually owed as payment in full so that you can take care of that, get it off your credit report, or look at some credit repair. So these are things that you need to be aware of, and charge-offs will have an impact on your ability to buy a house. If you've got a question you'd like me to answer, please type it in the comments below, and I'll do it as a Just Ask Ryan question of the day. I love answering these questions, and I've got a couple other videos I think you will be interested to listen to. So I've got one that, how can you finance a home with bad credit? So it's different ideas if you have bad credit on how to finance a home. And I've got another one that you want to check out, 10 principles of finance that changed my life. 10 principles of finance that absolutely changed my life. Now, if you're interested in real estate investing, finding properties, wholesaling, fix and flip, anything having to do with real estate investing, check us out over at dohardmoney.com. We have softwares, we have tips, we have tricks, we have finding, we have solutions, and we have capital to help you in your real estate investing. No matter what you're looking to do or how you're looking to do it, check us out. We may be a good fit for you, and we'd love to talk to you about it. Otherwise, make it a very profitable day, and bye for now.